kids, welcome to my channel. Today I teach you about shapes. Okay, then you know how many shapes? Then circle, square, rectangle, triangle. Then today I show you shapes. This is circle. This is circle. Okay, and this is square. This is triangle. This is star. See, this is a star. And this is rectangle. This is oval. Then this is basic shapes. Then today you learn about shapes. Then I ask you and you tell me about, okay? Then tell me, what is this? Which shape this is? Tell me the answer. This is oval. Okay. Then which shape this? This is rectangle. And this one is a star. And this, tell me, this is circle. This is square. And last, what is this? This is triangle. Okay, then today you learn about shapes. And please, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Okay, thank you.